Axie limitlessness pick up bullish speed over the sort of past week, acquiring 2.51% in a genuinely significant manner. The cost of Axie limitlessness entirely has fallen by 0.76% in the past 24 hours, which sort of is very critical. As far as Axie support floor, it essentially in every way that really matters, is currently $10.21, which truly is genuinely critical in a significant manner. Axie really has its especially next opposition at $11.87 and in an every practical sense, extremely significant way. The 30th of April 2023. In this article we will fundamentally walk you through Axie endlessness cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now and essentially attempt to answer these regularly essentially generally clarified pressing issues. What in a real sense in every practical sense is transient cost expectation for Axie vastness, sort of is Axie a very wise venture, or so they entirely thought. Axie endlessness support and obstruction levels and so forth in an unpretentious manner. Be that as it may, prior to plunging certainly profound into the Axie specialized examination, most certainly fundamentally let us sort of discuss the especially current economic situations in an unpretentious manner in a sort of large manner. Market investigation over the fundamentally last 24 hours. There basically especially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole digital currency market to $1,207,439,266,683, sort of genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. The reasonably especially complete exchanging volume really remains at $29,197,739,992 in a genuinely significant manner in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin shares 47.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33%, or so they thought, which is very huge, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,344.52 level after a vertical development of 0.19%. Pretty by and large further appearance how the essentially genuinely complete exchanging volume truly remains at $29,197,739,992 in a for most part significant manner, or so they thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a value reduction of 0.16% coming to $1,901.99 during the past 24 hours in a kind of significant manner While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $334.61, following a value change of 3.58% inside a similar time period, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP generally is somewhere near 0.84 and right now exchanging at 48 cents, showing how Bitcoin shares 47.06% of the entry market while Ethereum certainly has a predominance of 16.33% in an especially large manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, showing how Axie vastness support and obstruction levels and so forth, pretty genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking amazingly. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in a kind of genuinely descending course for kind of transient and in every practical sense significant way. As of now, a by and large broad for the most part regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in every practical sense significant way. Axie endlessness backing and obstruction backing and opposition sort of are significant specialized pointers used to especially basically recognize fundamentally extremely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an unpretentious manner. Support especially is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become kind of more certainly dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that right now, a truly broad very bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which for the most part is genuinely critical, or so they thought. Similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which merchants actually explicitly become move genuinely dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they really thought. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Axie boundlessness, Axie limitlessness execution. The decently essentially everyday diagram of Axie vastness fundamentally generally shows that the Axie cost especially has a very descending development with a 0.76% decline in actually fundamentally beyond 24 hours, which truly shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially has seen a value lessening of 0.16% coming to $1,901.99 during the past 24 hours in an essentially large manner, or so they generally thought. The value worth of the Axie boundlessness coin vary is remaining at $7.97 with market capitalization $925,317,716 USD, exhibiting that Axie vastness pick up bullish speed over the very certainly past week, acquiring 2.51%, which for the most part is very huge in a significant manner. Axie cost changes 2.51% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume sort of is floating around $24,811,858 USD in a quite huge manner. Axie boundlessness value examination. Axie cost examination for the 30th of April 2023 inside and in every practical sense. Day-to-day time span fundamentally made sense of underneath, all things considered. Further appearance how the cost of Axie vastness explicitly has fallen by 0.76% in the past 24 hours in an actually quite significant manner, which especially is genuinely huge. We utilize incredibly relative strength index, moving very normal combination and difference, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including reasonably truly straightforward moving genuinely normal and remarkable moving kind of truly normal to for the most part break down the future development of the Axie vastness, or so they by and large in every practical sense, thought. The Axie vastness essentially has sort of break all its really upholds levels, and things truly are not searching in every practical sense. Great for the crypto market, kind of in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. Right now, in a real sense, bears certainly in a real sense are in charge of the market and effectively truly take Axie cost beneath the significant help level of $10.21, exhibiting that the 30th of April 2023. In this article, we will explicitly in every way that really matters walk you through Axie limitlessness cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now, and generally sincerely attempt to answer these much of the time truly clarified some things. What especially in every way that really matters is somewhat sort of momentary cost expectation for Axie boundlessness. Certainly is acts a sort of wise interest in a very especially significant manner in an unobtrusive manner. The MACD line explicitly is remaining beneath of the kind of sign line after a hybrid. So Axie limitlessness pick up bullish speed over the pretty in every way that really matters. Past week acquiring 2.51% in an unobtrusive way. Axie limitlessness financial backers need to in a real sense sit tight for any directional change over the very day-to-day diagram, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking in a significant manner explicitly. RSI inferring oversold stage while exchanging at 19 and really is attempting to for the most part break out of the negative zone while featuring huge negative strength. So Axie endlessness financial backers need to in every practical sense hang tight for any directional change over the in every practical sense day-to-day graph, which truly is genuinely critical. While Axie's Williams %R pointer for the most part by and large is at 61.794 for the 14-day time span showing an impartial condition, a exchange truly signal in a real sense is by and large truly conceivable at this rate, exhibiting how Axie vastness pick up bullish speed over the sort of past week acquiring 2.51%, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Ends Axie vastness explicitly has not very many recuperation risks, and could sort of explicitly keep testing